Okay, let's do our lip liner and then our lipstick, okay? So we have the lightest nude, and then I'm going to use this beautiful luminous, it is called Sheer Illusion, Sheer Illusion. And it's a little glittery, and it's like a nude but a peach, and I feel like that is perfect to complement this lip color right here. So let's give it a whirl. Are you ready? All right. So I'm going to go a little bit below, and then I'm going to make the bow. So I start in the middle and I make an X. I go up and a little bit above. Just to make them a little pointier. Okay. Okay. I'm ready. All right, here we go. Okay, now I have to put on the hair thing. Okay, ready? So I went and got a special peach towel just for complementing this look. So I'm gonna take a picture. We'll see how it goes, okay? So if you liked any of the colors, you like anything, let me know, and I want to help you to recreate this or create any look you like, and I'd be more than happy to help you with any kind of makeup education, or as well as if you have some other looks you want me to recreate, and if there's anything that you love that I can help you get for yourself, then let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you. Thanks, guys.